Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So I have a really super deal for $1.39 Kit Kat wafer with fudge ice cream cones. So these are just $1.39 for a 4-pack. That is a stock up price. We're officially in the heat of summer. If you have a bunch of kids or if you just need a treat when it's really hot outside, this is a deal that you should do. I recommend that you do this deal in store. If you're in a very hot climate, if you're from like Texas, California, bring your cooler with ice because you don't want this stuff to melt. So I would do this in store because it's with IBOTTA and you want that receipt to print. You don't want any funny business. And I already tried at home to use the code WAG10 or something. It's not working. So currently these are $5.79 on a buy one get one free promotion. But what makes this deal really fantastic is IBOTTA is giving $1.50 back per box with a limit of up to 5. And if you read the fine print, Walgreens is one of the participating stores. And then I'm just going to zoom in here to show you guys that the 4-count, this fudge thing, second from the last. Kit Kat wafer with fudge 4-count. Boom, there it is. So you qualify for this. If you want to use a bit of Walgreens cash so you're not really feeling this out of pocket, go for it. But this is where you really have to pay attention, guys. It's the Kit Kat only that's buy one, get one free. My understanding is Oreos is not part of it, even though there's an Oreo rebate on IBOTTA. So please pay attention to that. Oreo is always included, but not this go around. So I added 4 of these into a cart on a buy one, get one free. That's $11.58. Now I can use up to $10 in Walgreens cash if I have it. Pay the $1.58. I'm going to get my receipt and then I'm going to get $6 back from IBOTTA. So it makes each box of those 4 counts like $1.39, which is a very good price point. And you can do this up to 5 times. So whatever the inventory is in your store. Now, if something goofy happens that your store only has 3 or a weird amount on a buy one, get one free, there's other products by Nestle, which is the parent company of Kit Kat. The drumsticks are included or those little sandwiches. So just grab something else on a buy one, get, you want to get your free item, right? So just be mindful of that too. You want to buy them in sets of 2 for the buy one, get one free. So make it happen. I know a lot of you want to fill up your freezer for the hot summer months, and this is a fabulous deal with the IBOTTA app. My favorite. And as this is such a great deal for something that most households want, I recommend that you double, triple check that IBOTTA app that the rebate's still there if you go a little later in the week or if it gets cleared out tomorrow, you want to make sure that it's there. Also, on Wednesday morning, this popped up on both of my accounts, a 6-pack when you spend 30, and this is valid for next week, the 9th to the 16th. So check your digital coupons folder. Is it there? It should be right at the top. It's always a your mileage may vary. Not everybody gets the same, but definitely check if you might have it so you can use it next week. And then if you missed it yesterday, I made a little video where I was back at Walgreens doing deals. Free toothpaste deal, 50-cent Colgate, cheap Pantene, you name it. I even tried to figure something out to get some very inexpensive L'Oreal Elvive shampoo. I will link this video at the end if it might interest a couple of you. I'm sure it will, in case you missed it yesterday. And the final piece of business, the Dollar General is having a clearance event that's going to be just about a week. And it starts on Friday the 7th and it ends next Thursday, which is the 13th. I really recommend, even if you're a casual Dollar General shopper, to check out this video. I kind of walk you through just matchups, not theory and stuff. It's just the meat, the deals and stuff with digital coupons. A lot of these deals are a little bit different than last time, even though the inventory, a lot of you are saying like, it's just the same stuff. It is, but with some of these digital coupons, like I have like 3 freebies and toilet paper for 62 cents, Tide Pods for 97 cents. These are prices you can't get at the pharmacy, and the savings are vast, like really big. And lots of the Dollar Generals that frequent my page, you're pretty excited about this, myself included, and I will be out there Friday morning looking for deals because these deals are sensational. I'm just really hyper by this. I hope I could sleep on Friday. I'm so excited. So I will link this one along with yesterday's midweek haul right here. Check it out if you want to save more money. And even if you're not too sure about Dollar General, I explain it, I think, pretty good. You might want to check it out and go shopping this weekend because it's going to be fantastic. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.